What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys everything Jasmy. Jasmy fam, I hope you guys are feeling amazing, because I know I am. I'm getting to accumulate this gem for cheap. I'm super happy, bro. I'm super happy that I can accumulate this gem for so cheap. There's so many people that don't even know about crypto. We are so early. They don't even know about smart cities. They don't know about Web 3.0. They don't know about data security, guys. We are so early, Jasmy fam, and I'm hype. I'm super ecstatic today, you know, because I know Jasmy's absolutely gonna crush it. We're gonna dive into smart cities and what's that's all about. We got some information from smart cities from the rest of the Jasmy community that we're gonna talk about in this one. Also, we're gonna dive into you know, a little bit of price action as well, what we could expect for the Jasmy price. If you're tuned in, please be sure to watch this video until the end. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, guys. Blow this video up. Let's make Jasmy bigger than the XRP community. Go and rewatch all of these Jasmy videos that I post. I got them in a playlist. Go back, rewatch them, get them all to 10,000 views a piece, guys. Let's absolutely crush it. I want to see, as soon as people get into crypto, the first project they see, because the first project I saw was XRP, right? I want the first project people see when they're new to crypto is Jasmy, guys. Jasmy fam, I'm telling you guys, we could definitely accomplish that. Also, thank you guys so much for 100 likes on the previous video I made. Let's get this one to 200 likes. Also, shout out to all the Jasmy fam that's tuning into the videos. Johnny Musk, Kiwi, Venom, Rudy, Cash, Hera, Raul, Regal, you know, even the doubters. Marcel saying right, he don't believe it. He don't believe in the $1 Jasmy, but guess what? $1 Jasmy is gonna shock the world, and it's incoming, and there's nothing they could do, the space could do, the fudders, the doubters could do to stop it, man. So when we take a look at a 1 month for Jasmy, we're seeing a retrace down 5%, you know. It's retracing back down $406 for 100k Jasmy. I'm just happy, man. I'm happy for these prices, guys, because I'm gonna use these moments to accumulate, man. The facts are in the charts, okay? Toblerone's target for Jasmy is 86 cents, right? And I think it'll hit $1, right? I'm gonna use these lows to add to my bag. I'm gonna DCA the lows. I'm gonna buy the fear. I'm gonna buy when all these people are funding, and be selling on them when they're FOMOing in at $1. When they're FOMOing in at $1, I'm selling. I'm taking my profits, right? But yeah, $197 million in market cap for Jazz, 20 million 24-hour trade volume. Shout out to the Jasmy community on coin market cap as well, Ma. Although I'm at a disadvantage, I really love Jasmy from the bottom of my heart, and I believe in Jasmy. Willow, time to buy another bag. Comment if you have 1 mil plus. That's the goal, man. That 1 mil bag is the goal. Richie M, I'm bullish on Jasmy. Tij, nice time to scoop more. The Welker, Jasmy, come on, let's go. Right here, first thing we're gonna start off with talking about smart cities. Jasmy AI just made a tweet. Jasmy Smart Home Market Analysis Report 23 to 2028, featuring Panasonic, Sony, Honeywell, Amazon, Schneider Electric, Apple, and Samsung. Look at this, man. Japan Smart Home Market Analysis for 2023 to 2028. The home market will reach 17.9 billion in 2028 from 6.5 billion. Japan's smart home industry was valued at 6.5 billion in 2022, and it's gonna, like, what, 4x that in the future, guys. By fully exploiting technological innovation such as IoT, Internet of Things, which is Jasmy's focus, and AI derived from the fourth industrial revolution, Japan hopes to create Society 5.0 in the future. The IoT market's rapid growth, numerous manufacturers expanding their product lines, cost-cutting measures made possible by home automation systems, and the growing significance of home monitoring from remote locations are some of the factors that have contributed to the growth of the smart home market in Japan. The demand for smart home technology is rising, and so are security and privacy breaches. Security, data, privacy. The development of the smart home market has previously been hampered by the absence of standardized operational protocols and electric interfaces. Jasmy's marketplace will, market share for Jasmy in Japan and the rest of the world. It is the first of its kind that is focusing on this new society, guys. Society 5.0. That's where the world is heading. We know technology will just keep advancing, and Jasmy will be that, like, you know, the currency or the fuel for, you know, society 5.0 and smart cities, right? Smart countries, for all we know. Smart speakers in interactive security systems held the highest market. Key players. Japanese market players have incorporated calm technology and design concepts and technical competence to allow peaceful digital existence in which technology works perfectly with people. Some key players in Japan smart home market are Panasonic, Sony, Amazon, Samsung, and who man, when you talk about Jasmy, what is the first thing you go to for the team of Jasmy? Sony, right? The team knows what they're doing, man. They got the experience, and the key players of, you know, the smart cities, smart homes is Sony, right? Which the team previously were heads at Sony, guys. And obviously they're gonna have the product, smart speakers, interactive security system, video doorbell, motion sensors, smart plugs, garage door, smart ovens, water shut-off systems, leak moisture detectors. Nice stuff, man. Awesome. That's super great, man. This technology, man, the world is advancing highly, and Jasmy and crypto in general is gonna be such a key part of the advancement of this technology. Candlestick maker, Jasmy is a blockchain, PC data democracy, metaverse, digital IDs, artificial intelligence, payment protocols, a self-contained web-free ecosystem due to Jasmy's quantum security. Another vertical can be crypto custody. $1 is a given, and that is no cap, okay? $1 is a given. Houston, not about Jasmy. Oh, I think we went through this already. Yeah, but you know, just the ties to Japan with Reuters and all these things. Can't wait to lock up my data with Jasmy. This is from Brian. Shout out to Brian. Mick Saucer. Your PDL identifies you as a contributing vendor in the constant global 24-hour data market. The contents of your PDL will perfectly suit those seeking specific details. Your PDL is your license to optimize your data value, and that is the power of Jasmy. We also got another summary right here from 279, making smart cities smarter. The concept of smart cities revolves around the interconnectedness of various urban elements. While the name Jasmy may initially bring to mind a cryptocurrency, it actually represents a groundbreaking initiative in Japan that aims to capture and optimize the connectivity of everything within the city. This includes diverse components such as streetlights, sewers, filtration systems, carbon tracking, and more, with the ultimate goal of creating a more enjoyable and sustainable urban environment. Within the context of Society 5.0, which encompasses the integration of IoT, AI, data security, and sustainability, Jasmy has emerged as a sought-after solution in Japan. Smart cities utilize advanced technologies and data analysis to improve residents' quality of life, enhance efficiency, and address urban challenges. These cities employ interconnected devices, sensors, and infrastructures to gather extensive data, which is then analyzed to extract valuable insights and support decision-making processes. You guys are seeing how Jasmy ties into all of what is gonna happen in Japan. Not just Japan. I think the whole world will integrate smart cities, and that's where Jasmy will shine, and that's where its market share will continuously grow. The progress and implementation of IoT advancements play a crucial role in the success of smart cities. IoT refers to a network of physical devices equipped with sensors, software, and connectivity, enabling them to collect and exchange data. I think the Jasmy team were thinking so far ahead, the fudders like can't keep up. They can't fathom it being $1 because the Jasmy team were thinking so far ahead. But you're not gonna be the head of Sony and not know a crap ton of knowledge, not know like so much things, right? You're not gonna be head of Sony Corporation for years and not know like where the world is heading, right? You're gonna know things that the regular person, you know, us, you know, all of us that's, you know, working an honest living won't know. We won't know some of these things, right? We'll only be consumers of said things, guys. That's how it is. But the Jasmy team are thinking so far ahead, the fighters won't be able to keep up, man. These devices range from basic sensors in street lights and waste management systems to sophisticated gadgets like wearable devices and smart home appliances. Jasmy addresses the needs of smart cities by leveraging the potential of IoT by integrating IoT technologies into various aspects of urban life. Jasmy facilitates the collection of valuable data from device sources throughout the city. This data encompasses traffic patterns, energy consumption, air quality, waste management, and more. And you see that use case, guys? That use case can't be ignored, man. This is actual use case, actual utility for everyday use, and that's where Jasmy's foundation is built. The objective of Jasmy is to enhance the safety and security of smart city residents by proactively safeguarding against potential threats. The collected data can be used to identify and prevent security breaches, detect vulnerabilities in the city's infrastructure, and improve emergency response systems. So you have people that are at home, they have issues, you know, the elderly, they have people that, you know, something happens, all of a sudden, boom, emergency response systems activate. Like, everything is going to be so tightly knit. There's going to be less, you know, fires. There's going to be less, you know, in-house, you know, accidents because of smart cities and Jasmy. And you know, the data collection, democratization that Jasmy has created, right? And you know, analyzes. Additionally, by analyzing the data, Jasmy contributes to optimizing resource allocation, streamlining services, and enhancing overall urban planning and governments. This, in summary, the effectiveness of smart cities heavily relies on the advancement of IoT technologies. Companies like Jasmy provide solutions that capitalize on IoT's potential, enabling the gathering and analysis of data to foster the development of safer and more efficient urban environments. You guys, how are people fading this utility and like fudding this, man? Like, you guys don't see what's happening in the world with AI, you know, the new VR, AR headset that was unveiled by Apple. All of the new advancements that are happening day to day when it comes to technology. Smart cities will be a thing in every city, man. Not just Japan, but the US, the whole world. And all of these things will be interconnected. And you know, Jasmy with its IoT data analysis security is what's gonna help these systems build and maintain sustainability, right? Guys, you can't fade this project, man. If you're an investor, you're thinking about the future, think about the people that bought Bitcoin at like cents or $1 and then sold Bitcoin at $100, right? When if they just invested in the future, right, and just held, they could be selling Bitcoin at $30,000, $60,000, right? This is the same thing you got to do with Jasmy, guys. Look at it as an investment, not just a quick trade to get rich. Look at it as an investment. You know, obviously selling the bull run, buy back in the next bear market, you know, so you could maximize your profits. But think long term when it comes to Jasmy, guys. Shout out to 279 Jasmy promoter for the huge, amazing write-up. Absolutely wonderful, beautiful write-up, man. Like breaking it down for, you know, the layman's like me, making it super simple for what Jasmy does, man. Had some more tweets, but I'm gonna end it off right here, guys. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, Everything about Jasmy and myself will be in the description. Blow this video up, Jasmy fam. Make all the videos bigger than the XRP community. I'ma keep saying it, Jasmy community, we are bigger than the XRP community. So blow these videos up, help support other content creators as well, and also support the Patreon. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. Get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. Recently put out some buy alerts. You know, one of them is already up 2x, right? Nice gains to take profit, buy some more Jasmy, right? So guys, join the Patreon, man. And again, thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.